Huge setback for Aam Aadmi Party convener Arvind Kejriwal. Delhi High Court puts Kejriwal's bail on hold. Delhi High Court decision on Kejriwal bail expected by June 25. Kejriwal was supposed to walk out of jail today. ED challenged the trial court's bail order before the High Court. Congress's Jairam Ramesh slams PM Narendra Modi, CBI and ED. In a setback for Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, the High Court today reserved the Rouse Avenue Court's order granting him bail in a money laundering case linked to the now scrapped excise policy. The Enforcement Directorate had challenged the trial court's bail order, prompting a vacation bench of Justices Sudhir Kumar Jain and Ravinder Jadeja to stay the proceedings. The ED argued it was not given adequate time to oppose bail and criticized the trial court's decision. With Kejriwal remaining in judicial custody, the Delhi High Court is expected to announce its decision by June 25th. Meanwhile, Sunita Kejriwal, his wife, criticized the ED's handling of the case, likening treating to Delhi Chief Minister as a most wanted terrorist in India. Her comments were made during a gathering in South Delhi's Bhogal, where Delhi Water Minister Atishi began an indefinite hunger strike demanding increased water supply from Haryana.
अभी कल ही आपके मुख्यमंत्री को बेल मिली। अभी सुबह ऑर्डर अपलोड होना था, ऑर्डर अपलोड नहीं हुआ और ईडी हाई कोर्ट पहुंच गई ऑर्डर को स्टे करवाने के लिए। इतना ये तो ऐसे हो गया एज इफ अरविंद केजरीवाल इज द मोस्ट वांटेड टेररिस्ट ऑफ इंडिया।
Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal was anticipated to be released from Tihar jail today following his bail approval in the Delhi liquor policy case. The Rouse Avenue Court had earlier granted bail to Kejriwal on a bond of Rs 1 lakh in connection with the money laundering case linked to an alleged excise policy scam. Additional Solicitor General S.B. Raju, representing the Enforcement Directorate, informed the Delhi High Court that the agency was not given a fair opportunity to present its case. Consequently, the ED approached the High Court challenging the bail granted by the trial court on Thursday, seeking a stay on the order, citing incomplete arguments. Meanwhile, senior Congress leader Jairam Ramesh commented on Arvind Kejriwal, criticizing Prime Minister Narendra Modi for alleged misuse of central investigative agencies like the CBI and ED over the past decade. Jairam Ramesh emphasized the need for unbiased functioning of these agencies.
हम उत्पीड़न की राजनीति, प्रतिशोध की राजनीति के खिलाफ हैं। पिछले 10 साल से नरेंद्र मोदी ने इन संस्थाओं का भारी दुरुपयोग किया है। इनकी प्रतिशोध की राजनीति और उत्पीड़न की राजनीति के हथियार बन गए हैं ईडी, सीबीआई और इनकम टैक्स। और हमने देखा है इलेक्टोरल बॉन्ड के मामले में, और हमने जनता के सामने ये सब सबूत पेश किए हैं किस तरीके से इन संस्थाओं का दुरुपयोग हुआ है, जांच एजेंसियों का दुरुपयोग हुआ है। और दुरुपयोग से बीजेपी ने 8,000 करोड़ रुपया चंदा इकट्ठा किया था, आपको याद होगा। तो ये संस्थाएं जांच संस्थाएं हैं, निष्पक्ष तरीके से इनको काम करना जरूरी है। इनकी कार्रवाई में कोई हस्तक्षेप, राजनीतिक हस्तक्षेप नहीं होना चाहिए, इनका दुरुपयोग नहीं होना चाहिए।
न्यूज़ डेस्क रिपोर्ट, एनी न्यूज़।